We currently live in a loop of cannibalistic capitalism, where we waste more food than it would take to feed the entire planet. This is the scarcity virus, a system that relies on the anxiety of survival to keep people dependent on broken, nutrient-poor supply chains. For most of us, sustainable living has a branding problem. We've been conditioned to think that choosing health means choosing deprivation, trading flavor and luxury for tasteless charity food. The Delicious Resort in Portugal was built as a physical countermeasure to that belief. It operates as a closed-loop sanctuary designed to prove that high-efficiency luxury can be the natural byproduct of a sustainable ecosystem. By replacing extraction with a self-financing engine, the resort acts as a specialized crucible. It's designed to dismantle the scarcity virus not through theory, but by removing the logistical friction that makes healthy living feel like a sacrifice. Software algorithms can predict a better world, but they can't build one. To move from a digital blueprint to a physical reality, you need a human engine capable of handling the microscopic details of local execution. Genesis Node 01 is a core team of 6 specialists structured as a balanced hexagram. They scale global abundance, starting with a single nutrient-dense meal, the BarNess Miracle Bar. This self-sustaining one-for-one model creates a localized system so efficient the world must catch up. The system begins at the base layer with the cultivators. This is where the raw inputs for the ecosystem are literally pulled from the dirt. Avia serves as the agricultural anchor. She works at the farm level to test yields and develop whole food, plant-based crops that don't rely on industrial fertilizers or heavy processing. Judy then takes Avia's raw permaculture harvests and refines them into culinary foundations, the scalable ingredients that allow these recipes to work in any kitchen, anywhere. By applying this level of rigor to the soil itself, the team ensures that every calorie entering the system is nutritionally uncompromised. But health alone isn't enough to change behavior. Before any ingredient is approved for the Royal Oasis, it must pass through the Delicious Nexus. This 3-stage gauntlet is overseen by the triad of judges. Sarah judges vital nourishment for long-term healing. Maytal evaluates the standard, ensuring flavors and presentation rival luxury dining. Finally, Illumina assesses the matrix, ensuring the meal can be consistently reproduced. This 3-part gauntlet ensures the food isn't just good for you, it's good enough to compete with the modern food industry on its own terms. Even a perfect meal is just a localized success, unless there's a mechanism to scale it across borders. This is where David Goldstein, the architect, steps in. He provides the systems logic that translates the team's culinary and agricultural output into a global framework. David integrates the team's operational data into the ARQ-18 blueprint. He aligns these physical results with Qion's financial technologies, like tokenized real estate and energy grids. This synthesis scales a single Portuguese recipe into the standard for decentralized nodes globally. We are now seeing the final structural alignment of Genesis Node 01. The agriculture, the luxury standards, and the systems architecture have finally locked into place. When David's systems moderation is added to the 5-person team, the geometry stabilizes. This creates a perfectly balanced 6-pointed hexagram, the Star of David, representing a unified architecture. This completed team acts as the engine for the triple helix model, a fusion of technology, economy, and community. With over 1 million meals already served, the model isn't just a prediction, it's a proven human ecosystem that shows how abundance can be engineered. The scarcity virus doesn't end with a political speech. It ends when we build a system that makes deprivation obsolete, one perfectly judged meal at a time.